If you've got poor soil and have given up on trying to grow anything in it at all, then don't despair. The solution is quick, cheap and easy, with the key ingredient being charcoal, a porous, benign and neutral substance of immense value. Now you can buy horticultural charcoal like this in most garden centres, including our online shop here at Gardens Online. It's most often used to improve drainage in pots and planters, but it also provides the perfect home in your garden beds for beneficial microorganisms like bacteria and fungi. Charcoal is very light and full of air pockets, so the good bugs can nestle into its cracks and crevices where they can remain protected and multiply to their heart's content. Now, too often good bugs get flushed out of your soil by overwatering or heavy rains, but the charcoal anchors them in place. They can then get to work breaking down the soil and composted materials, making the nutrients more available to your plants. So, good drainage and more food, that's the perfect recipe for strong, healthy plants. And it's surprisingly easy to do. First, find yourself a large container and half fill it with rainwater. If you have to use tap water, then let it sit for 24 hours so the chlorine can evaporate. Now, pour in the charcoal chunks. If they're too large, then break them down to smaller pieces and give it a good stir to reduce the air pockets. Now, there are two options for adding microbes. Number one, add some well-rotted compost and stir it in vigorously. This is the perfect source of good microbes, with compost containing thousands of varieties of good bugs that are already acclimatized to your location. Number two, if you don't have access to your own compost, then you can also buy good bugs in a bottle that contain all the essential microbes for healthy garden growth. Bio-fertilisers and soil tonics like Populate and Sea Sol, Power Feed and other bio-organic fertilisers are readily available. Just add a few capfuls and stir it in. Then cover it and let it sit for about a week at a steady temperature, not too hot, not too cold. This allows the microbes to acclimatise and set up home in the charcoal, untainted by other competing bugs or materials. Now, you have the most potent and enduring tonic you can add to your garden soil or pots and planters. Just pour and spread it on and then lightly rake it in. Under normal circumstances, good bugs are very susceptible to outside influences like heavy rain or competing bugs and pathogens. But when they're housed securely in charcoal, they're safe to multiply at will, while working on the soil to release the natural nutrients that are trapped within. Nutrients like nitrogen, potassium and phosphorus, along with all the trace elements that plants need to grow strongly. Charcoal is also very good at absorbing moisture during dry periods, while helping drainage during wet periods, and then it allows more air to return to the cracks and crevices around it. All in all, horticultural charcoal is a gardener's best friend, and it's the perfect addition when potting up plants.